Assalamualaikum and salam the great PSIS. Today, we're going to demonstrate the step-by-step procedures to construct a simple circuit on the breadboard. But before we begin, let me introduce myself and my group mates. Starting from myself, my name's Nurdiani Nazura and my friends is Siti Nur Shazlin and Siti Nur Kistina.
As for the materials, all we need is a pair of resistor, jumper wires, clip wires, a breadboard, an analog multimeter, and a 9-volt battery.
Now let's begin. First of all, we need to connect our resistor to our breadboard. Make sure it was placed side by side to create a parallel circuit. And then we need to attach our jumper wires on both resistors to help connect our electrical current, which is this 9-volt battery here. Then we will attach our clip wires from our power source to our resistor. Make sure the black one is negative and the red one would be positive. And then make sure you connect it on the right terminal. If it's negative, then attach it to the negative side of the resistor. And if it's positive, then do the opposite of it. Make sure to adjust the multimeter before using it. Here, we are using analog multimeter to show our parallel circuit. And then, we'll need to touch our resistor using our multimeter wires. Here we are using an analog multimeter instead of a digital one. And then that was for our first resistor. Now we are using for our second resistor, which is basically do the same as the previous steps. Make sure you're using your multimeter probes the correct way, or else you'll get your incorrect reading if you're using the incorrect technique. And that's how you get your voltage reading. And then we'll be move on to our series circuit, which is to read our current. Then we will need to detach our negative clipping wires to connect to our negative multimeter probe. And then we will need to detach our jumping wires on the other side of the resistor to go to the direct current MA, or else you will not have the correct reading. Then slightly touch the metal part of the resistor to get our current reading, and do the same thing with the other resistor, and tada, we will have our voltage and current reading.